Good day, viewers and friends. What do you have today? We have this Lenovo laptop. It's a Lenovo. Let me see the model. It's Lenovo G580 that came in for repair. It's coming from the new customer. What the customer is saying? The customer is saying the laptop is coming on but no display. Power supply 3.2 amps, 19 volts. Plug in the power supply here. It's taking 400, pressing the power. It's now jumped to 1.1, and here everyone can confirm that this laptop is on based on the LED. We have the LED for charging that is flashing, and the LED for power on light. That LED for charging, which is flashing, maybe we have a dead battery. Yeah, because this is an old laptop. But on the screen we have nothing. So what can be fault? We have been fixing this laptop so many times, and here we must go straight to the point. What is the fault of this laptop? I'm suspecting two things. Either we have a faulty RAM, or the GPU. We'll see when we take out the back cover. We need to access to few things here, and we can't access the motherboard, but we can pay attention to the behavior of the fan. We can pay attention. Let's do the basics: taking out the RAM, putting back the RAM, and retry to power on the machine. It's on. The fan is spinning, but we have nothing on the screen. On. Let's see the type of RAM that we have here. DDR3. I need to check with another RAM. Maybe this is a scenario where we have problems with the RAM. I do have so many RAMs here. So I found some few RAMs here. I'll test one by one. Let's start with this and see if this motherboard will post on the screen. Because this is some kind of old model of laptop, we can't have like problem with the BIOS. It's very rare to find a BIOS chip problem on this model of laptop. So if it's not posting, maybe we have a faulty screen ribbon cable, we have a faulty RAM, we have the faulty GPU, which can be inside the processor, or we might have an independent GPU. On, and the laptop is displaying. That's so crazy. On, and we have a working laptop. Huh? I told you. If the fan is working, the chances of having working GPU is very high, because GPUs are dying mostly due to overheating, to the issue of overheating. When the cooling system is not properly functional, at some point the GPU will die, because it's not taking out the heat. Yeah, that's the repair. That was a faulty RAM. So yeah, I'll stop here. So like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. If you have anything that you don't understand or you wish to understand, please don't hesitate to leave a comment, and I'll try to answer you on the next replay. About the previous video where I was explaining how the faults, how the motherboards they are behaving when they have different faults. We learned few things there. We learned that you can't replace a coil with a wire, because a coil has some what do I call it? Let me see 1 second. What do I call it? I'm explaining. I need the right term. I need the right term for this. No, a coil cannot be replaced with a wire, because a coil uses many turns of insulated wire to concentrate a magnetic field. Huh? It's good to know. So generally, you cannot replace a coil with a wire. You can't. Whereas a simple wire is just carrying current, huh? Without necessary inductivity property. So that is the reason why you can't use a wire in substitute of a coil. So see you on the next repair. Bye bye.